Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to Notes 1.4. So today is a nuts and bolts day, which means these are just kind of basic skills that we got to drill and kill and practice. This is also a puzzle day, so I will be doing very few problems in the video, and then you'll be doing the rest as partners. So our riddle says, why does a mouse have fur? So you're going to go ahead and think of the location of the decimal on the number line in each exercise, and then write the letter of the exercise as close to that point as possible, and it's going to spell out the answer to the riddle. Here's a hint. If you have some gibberish at the end of this, you've messed up. You need to show committed to doing justice, go back, erase, retry, and figure out where that decimal actually belongs. So here we go. And we'll do the first couple letters. 0.21. You can see that this number line is divided up into tenths. So I want to put 0.21 by 0.2 and a little bit after it. So that's where T is going to go. So we'll put 0.21 right here, and I'll say T, and I'll say 0.21 right underneath it, right? The next one, and then once I'm done, I'm going to cross it off, right? So I, 0.13. I'm going to look for 0.1, which is right here, and then I'm going to pretend 1, 2, 3. So there's 0.13, and then I'm going to put an I there. All right, cross it off when I'm done. The next one, 0.38. Here's 0.38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0.38. Maybe write it down here a little bit and then draw an arrow up and then put an O there, right? And so you're going to keep on doing this in partners throughout. So here, this is divided up into tenths, but they also have the tick marks for you already with the hundredths. So let me place L for you. So 0.487. So we're going to go to 0.4 first. Then we're going to go 0.48. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 0.487 is going to be just after this guy. So 0.487. And then you put an L right there. Okay, and the last one, obviously, we have the whole numbers with the tenth spot and the tick marks being the hundredth spot. So I'll do one for you, 7.251. So 7.2, and then we go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 would be just on the other outside of it. So 7.251, and you put a T right there. So that's what this first station is all about. And you're going to work in partners. And when you work in partners, I need you to collaborate. That means I need you to work together without arguing. If you disagree on something, you can respectfully disagree and say, hey, that's a good point. But have you ever thought about this? Or in my opinion, I think this should be the answer, and here's why. There's no need to argue. There's also no need to get off topic. I'll be keeping class on track of points on Class Dojo. Flip over to the back side. On the back side, you have another riddle, and it says, how can you help prevent burglaries? So what you're going to do is going to do each exercise and find your answer in the set of numbers to the right, right? Write the letter of the exercise in the box and the number of the answer. So basically, this is all about place value, and so you need to go ahead and make sure that you have your place value chart out so it can help you. So give the value of 3 in each digit. So 2.35. When I go to my should have your reference sheet out, which right here, this place value chart right here will really help you on this one. So if I go back, it asks me what place value was the 3 in each digit. So here, obviously, we can see if we use the place value chart, that's in the tenths with a TH. So a U is going to go in 13. So I'm going to put right here was U, and then I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom here, and on number 13, I'm going to put a U there. Let's do another one. Let's skip down to here. Give the value of 5 in each digit. So here, 5 right there is in the ones place. So, oops, didn't mean to shade that in. I'm going to put an S there. And on number 5, I will put an S. On number 5, I will put an S. Right? And then obviously these ones right here are basically right the decimal. So 27 and, the word and is your decimal. So 27 and 4/10. That's simply 27.4, and then you want to find it over here. That's 18. So you'll say, hey, that equals O. And yes, you want to say for every one of these what letter that equals in case you mess up. Then you can go back and say, oh, this is where I messed up. right? Or something like, I'll do H here, 53 and 9 thousandths. So 53.009, because this is the tenths, this is the hundredths, and this is the thousandths. So 53.009, that's 22, and that's H. So again, make sure you're collaborating in partners, working together, and understand that Class Dojo points are up for grabs. Good luck.